In this video, you'll learn how to find name servers on Bluehost, whether you're setting up a new website, connecting your domain to another hosting provider, or troubleshooting DNS issues. Knowing where to find your name servers is an essential skill. I'll walk you through the process step by step in a way that's simple and easy to follow. Even if you're not very technical, first you'll need to log into your Bluehost account. Open your web browser and go to the Bluehost website. On the homepage, look for the login option, then enter your account credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to what's often called the account manager or main dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all of your hosting, domains, and other services under your account. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a vertical menu or sidebar with different sections such as home, websites, and domains. Go ahead and click on the option labeled domains. This is where Bluehost keeps all the settings and controls related to any domains connected to your account. When you click on the Domains tab, you'll be taken to the Domain Management area. Here you'll see a list of the domains associated with your account. If you only have one domain, Bluehost usually takes you straight into the management panel for that domain without asking you to pick from a list. That makes things a bit easier because you're already looking at the domain you want to work with. If you have multiple domains, you may see them listed in a table or as individual cards. In that case, find the domain whose name servers you want to check. Click on that domain to open its detailed management view. This page is where you can adjust settings like DNS records, redirects, and of course your name servers. Once you're in the management panel for the correct domain, look for an option or section labeled name servers. Depending on your version of the Bluehost interface, this might appear as a tab, a link, or a button, often somewhere near other DNS or domain settings. Click on name servers to open the name server settings for that domain. On the name servers page, you'll see the current name servers that your domain is using. These will typically look like standard DNS server addresses. If your goal is simply to find and copy these values, you can carefully highlight and copy each one, then paste them wherever you need, such as at another registrar or hosting provider. If you're planning to change your name servers, this is also where you would do it, but make sure you know exactly what values to enter from your new provider before making any changes. Updating name servers can affect where your website and email are hosted, and changes can take some time to fully propagate across the internet. Once you've located and, if necessary, copied your name servers, you're done. You can safely navigate away from the page or log out of your account. That's all there is to it. You've successfully found your name servers on Bluehost.